Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Econometric and Research Gateway. Myself, Dr. Hafiz Vikas. Uh, in our previous lecture, we have talked about how we can apply the unit test or how we can check the stationarity properties of the data. Now, this is actually the fifth video in the lecture series covering the MMQR full tutorial with the latest publication example from the economics. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss how we can check whether there exists a long-term relationship between the variables of interest or not. So, for this purpose, we are going to apply the cointegration analysis using the stata 17. So, here comes the stata 17. Okay, now we need to apply the command using the keywords like xt. The command is xt co int test Petroni space CO2, our main dependent variable carbon emission, green financing, GDP, import, export, and EPS. Okay, now this is actually the co-integration analysis for our model 1. Okay, and the same has been applied in the sample paper. Make one mistake, I think. We need to correct the spelling of Petroni. Correct version is P-E-T-R-O-N. Yes. Now it's okay. So these are actually the outcomes related to the Petroni co-integration test. Here you can find the three test statistics followed by the p-values. Now the first one is modified Phillips-Perron-T score followed by the p-values. Here comes the Phillips-Perron-T statistics and augmented T statistics. Okay. Now you can find that all these three test statistics are highly significant. They are highly significant because the p-value is less than 5%. And the same has been reported. The same has been reported in the sample paper. Here comes the model 1. This is actually the model 1 for which we have applied the panel co-integration test. You can find 2.3960. Here comes the Phillips-Perron-T statistics, and here comes the augmented Dickey-Fuller-T statistics, and followed by the p-value. So all these values are highly significant at 1% or 5%. So we can say that there exists a long-run relationship or there exists a co-integrated relationship between the variables of interest whenever we talk about our model 1. Now we need to repeat the same process for the model 2, which is quite simple. Just move to stata, and here comes the command which we have recently applied, but we need to change age. We need to add. Now we need to check which one is our second model. Carbon emission, yes, it is there. The green financing, yes. GDP, import, export, EPS. Now green innovation is missing. Now this one is missing. Okay, so we will apply GI as well in the model and press enter. Now again, all three test statistics for the second model where we have added the green innovation, the p-values are highly significant. They are less than 1%, means that there exists a long-run relationship or there exists a co-integrated relationship between the variables of interest. And the same has been reported in table 5 entitled as co-integration analysis. Thank you.